Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, we have to talk about Xpeng, ticker XPEV, because we're creating here a short squeeze situation, guys. I'm talking about Xpeng since more than 1 year on my channel, and especially here in July 2024, I started to release more and more videos because I said we have here a very nice short squeeze setup. And we can see that since I released those videos, we already have here a rip of 195%. And when we see the pre-market price action right now, then it's even 216%. So what is next for Xpeng? I give you here all the price levels. This is of course not financial advice, guys, but this is one of my missions here to predict short squeezes in the market for everybody who missed this kind of first squeeze now. And we have now, as I said, a very spicy breakout situation. I show you here my drawings in a second. Yeah, we have also a lot of other short squeezes here in the market, which I also try to predict, especially on Patreon. I post a lot of content about short squeeze stocks. Yeah, very popular, my so-called hot stocks here, which I release every Sunday. And while I'm doing this video, guys, one of my hot stocks which I released here on Sunday is just squeezing 109%. So yeah, there's a lot of potential in the market, guys. Not only Xpeng, there are many other stocks. We had much more squeezes here already in February, even almost 800% after my prediction here, one of my Patreon swing trade alerts. That's why I say, guys, if you want to see all my short squeeze stocks, you can of course join in here our trading community on Patreon. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have, where everyday new members joining in, not only the short squeeze information, you get also here access to tutorials, my weekly top 5 US short squeeze stocks, member FAQ section, and so on. If you click here the info card in the corner, you get access here to the Patreon member link. So guys, let's not waste here any more time. We can see that Xpeng is already gapping up here about $20. We can see that we had here the first squeeze which happened here back in June 2023. Then the highest point which we had was $23. This is not a coincidence because we had here one open gap to fill. Yeah, you always have to understand that these kind of price action here are based on algos, and we had one open gap here marked by this green field, and the second open gap has been here. And you can see as soon as both gaps have been filled, the squeeze for Xpeng was over until there, right? That was July 2023. Then we came back in the same algo liquidity zone. I will enable my drawings in a second, guys. Just give you a quick recap here. And then you can see as soon as the bottom here, or the algo supply demand zone here was confirmed, we had the next squeeze. And as I said, now we are already 200% above the next price level. Yeah, what is the price goal now for Xpeng, guys? I can show you that here. As I said, this is not financial advice. This is here what I think based on the chart. And if you know my previous videos, I never change or adjust my charts. And I saying that since months, that the short squeeze price level, or the main algo resistance, that's why I draw this fat line here in the chart, is $18.60. So there are just two scenarios, guys. Scenario one, you retest this price range here and have a huge rejection. This is what usually happens, especially after a rally like that. The second scenario is that the bullish algos are too strong and keep on pushing. And now we can see that we're gapping up, guys, in the pre-market above $18.60. So what we can see is in the past 2 trading days, we haven't been able to create here a green candle body over $18.60. Be very careful, guys, with trading when you see these kind of fake outs here. Don't get too excited when a stock is starting here to gapping up. We have also here a small gap up, guys. You can see that here, $18.58. Here is also one open gap now. So Xpeng already start to gap up here, but just built a red candle. So the price action was not strong enough to build a green candle. But now in the pre-market, guys, you can see we are trading at $20.86. And this is a clear breakout here out of this structure here. Huge gap up once, retest here of the trend channel top line here, boom. And now we're gapping up. Do I like gap ups? No, guys, I don't like gap ups. I'm not a fan of gap ups. But of course, in that situation here, in that scenario, for Xpeng, it is quite bullish, because that means that the market makers try to fulfill here the next price levels. And what are the next price levels, guys? I show you that here. By the way, guys, this is here TradingView. So the chart program, what you see here in my video, is called TradingView. This is what I use for all my videos. So it's really worth it that you also, maybe save my videos or make yourself some screenshots, because you can see here the demand zones and the price level and everything for Xpeng and for many other stocks which I upload here almost every day. And that's why I always recommend this program, because this helps you to understand how the algos work and that these price actions are not made here by human traders. This program, guys, is here available. I have also a discount link, a $15 discount link for TradingView on the premium tier. If you want to get that program, guys, I can highly recommend that. And when you click the info card here in the corner, you get access to this $15 TradingView discount link. So, okay, guys, what's next for Xpeng? Let's zoom out and we can see the next price goals here. What I really like is that we have here a clear breakout attempt out of this trend channel. This is of course just the pre-market, so we should close today above $18.60. That would be very good if we close above this price here, just because we now gapping up in the pre-market. That does not mean that we trade here in these price ranges today, but if we continue here to squeeze, then we have here the next price goals to the upside, guys. And the next price goal, I even would not call it a resistance. Resistance for Xpeng, I think somewhere here, guys, in the $30 range. I think the next price goals here are $28 and then $31 here. These two price levels here, the open gaps for Xpeng, is what I expect to happen next. Even here until $33, there is also there, I think, will be the first resistance. So keep that in mind. My prediction here for Xpeng is that we reach $28 and $31 if, of course, if we can close here with a green candle body above $18.60. It is also possible that we see a pullback, a slight pullback, that we see here a next squeeze attempt, and that we retest this trend line here. This is very important, because now this trend line here, which is the trend channel top trend line here with the squeeze trigger price level 1860, is more or less here in alignment, so almost here at the same level. That's why it's so easy to trade Xpeng. That's why there is also not necessary to FOMO in. If we have here a confirmed retest here, then of course $28, $31, something here in this $30 range will be the next price level for Xpeng. And the good thing is, guys, as soon as we get over $23 here, that means we start to build higher highs, and that could be the beginning of a bullish reversal for Xpeng. Now we see that the market makers can just pull the rug and bring the price down here back in the $6 range. So that's why I'm not super bullish right now. I don't want to talk about a bullish reversal now. The structure is more squeeze-like than a bullish reversal, but the chance that we even see a bullish reversal for Xpeng is there, and that means that we can see much higher price goals here in the future. Yeah, guys, that was my quick and dirty update here. I think the price levels are quite visible here. Keep that in mind. $28, $31 should be the next price goals if we find support above $18.60. And if you don't want to miss any updates on Xpeng or my other short squeeze stocks, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.